Hello again, it's me, Elda. In this video, I want to talk about understanding performance and payment bonds for construction contracts. So in federal construction projects, protecting both the work's quality and the interests of subcontractors is critical. So this is where performance and payment bonds come in. Now the word bonding is used as an eponym, because the word bonding is just one of the payment performance protections that are listed as options in FAR 28.102. I know, a lot of this shit is confusing, and that's why I'm here to help you understand and explain. Okay, so the definition of an eponym is the use of a word that is perceived as a way of describing the type of product or service. So in this case, when we say bonding, we actually mean payment performance protection rather than just meaning bonding itself. The example that I like to use because it's the easiest is, do you remember calling any brand of soda a Coke instead of what it really is, like Dr. Pepper or Sprite, for example? Do you remember that? Hand me that Coke, please. Okay, anyway, for construction contracts valued between $35,000 and $150,000, contracting officers can select from various payment protections. These include options like a payment bond, an irrevocable letter of credit, or even a tripartite escrow agreement. The list of the options is as follows. So for a payment bond, the payment bond is a bond obtained from a bonding agency for about 3% of the contract amount. The number 2 option is an irrevocable letter of credit, which is issued by a bank, assuring credit for the amount of the contract. A tripartite escrow agreement, which is the 3rd option, is a 3-part agreement with the bank, the federal government, and the contractor, where the money gets deposited to an escrow account and all parties involved get paid, including the subcontractors hired for the job. Number 4 is a certificate of deposit. This is actually a certified check issued by your bank to the federal government that will be returned to the contractor. That will be returned to the contractor after the contract is finalized and paid. And then the last option is an approved security deposit, which is where deeds or valuables are signed over to the federal government and is used as a payment performance protection, and it is returned when the job is completed and everything is finalized. So contracts over $150,000 require performance and payment bonds. These bonds ensure that the contractor completes the project and pays all suppliers and subcontractors as agreed. The contractor is required to provide one of the selected payment protections before work even begins, no matter what payment performance protection is chosen. So contractors must submit these documents to the government before they're allowed to start work. So in summary, payment performance protection, or bonds as we call them, are critical tools that secure federal construction projects, ensuring that contractors meet their obligations and suppliers receive their due payments. Hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to stay informed with all my videos and learn more about federal contracting requirements to maintain smooth and compliant project operations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.